Hi guys, welcome to my ISO builder. Somebody mentioned an application on Telegram, no, on the forum, and I said, oh, what's that? So yay, Ulauncher is now installed on my system. And he told me you need to add a code, a specific code, the xprop code, right? The name you figure out with xprop has a class name, and that class name goes in PyChem, and PyChem is a new name of content, and content makes your screens with a shadow or transparent, etc., etc. And that's why it's on my machine now, Ulauncher, right? So I'll add it to our repo, to Ulauncher, and it might be interesting for the guys who have tiling window managers. So it's another way to launch something and have a look at launching an application like Chrome. What do we have? CO or CHR. You see, we have a application launcher, but then I pressed this button and I thought, oh my god, right? Control space, probably we can still set and change it. Yep, there it is. Control space is working. And launch it login, number of frequent apps to show, blah blah blah, render, etc. But also shortcuts, okay, fine. Extensions that we can write ourselves would be interesting. And the about, it's on the GitHub, so github.com Ulauncher, and read more about possible extensions that you can write yourself. And most importantly, it's updated regularly. So take a look at these dates: 11 days ago, 3 days ago. So that means that it's that I work on yesterday, right? Yesterday, 26, 24, and so on. So if you say, okay, I'll give it a try. I haven't tried yet. I'm just showing it to you guys. And this is also maybe a good thing. There was an elementary dark in there as well, somehow. It was possible. There it is, dark. So take a look. If it's your thing, great. It will be on our repositories. So sudo pacman -s Ulauncher. In a few minutes, you'll have it. All right, cheers.